Hey, what is up, comrades? This is MF Kraven here with something a little different today. Seeing as how I haven't done a food vlog in a while because of the circumstances, I present to you today a temporary series called Quarant-Eats, which in essence it's just going to be me teaching you how I cook my meals, and they're all going to be easy to make meals, probably under $5 each one. So, thank you for watching and hope you enjoy. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how I make my ramen. These will be the only ingredients you'll be needing to make a delicious tasting bowl of yum. Sapporo Ichiban Ramen, some green onion, toasted sesame seeds, and soy sauce. For the first step, what you want to do is fill your pot up with 1.5 cups of water. Turn that stove up to high and wait about 5 minutes for it to start boiling. Now while we wait for that to boil, we're going to start setting up our bowl. First and foremost, we're going to put in the seasoning that comes with the ramen. Then grab your green onion and from the top cut some off to your liking. Personally, I don't like them cut up. So with my hands, I sort of just tear into it like I tear into boo. I like doing this to let the seasoning soak up, and that green onion taste is delicious. Then we have a hit of the toasted sesame seeds and just continue to wait for the water to boil. So as we get our water to a nice boil, I was hungry earlier and made some pasta. Had to hide it and forgot to clean it. And no wonder I gained so much weight during the quarantine. All I'm eating is pasta and ramen. But anyways, like I was saying, wait for it to boil and then get 3 spoonfuls of boiling water and throw that into your seasonings. And just start mixing. Once you have it all mixed, give that block of ramen a nice bath. And remember to wait exactly 3 minutes. The most you can do is about 3 minutes and 30 seconds. But I don't recommend doing any less or more than that. Give it a nice stir about a minute into it, and after 3 minutes are up, you have yourself some nicely cooked noodles. Now let me tell you where a lot of people mess up. I say this is an important step, and you always have to remember to slowly pour about half of your ramen and water into the seasoning bowl. Stir it up, and when you see the same color consistency, add that dash of soy sauce. Then add the rest of the contents of your pan and again slowly, and just give it a nice stir. The flavors of the ramen will tempt you to just have a taste. And if you're like me, you won't think about it and just put that bowl full of yummy into your mouth. Do not attempt this though. True love waits. Hit it with a little bit of sesame seeds again, and just let it sit there for about 2 minutes and get ready to go to instant noodle heaven. Oh yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, give me a like, comment down below. I'll keep making them. Signing off, this has been MF Kraven.